In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Outlook. If you regularly send emails to the same group of people, creating a distribution list can save you a lot of time. Instead of typing each person's address every time, you can create a group once and use it again whenever you need it. In Outlook, this is done through the Groups feature, and the process is very simple. To get started, open Outlook in your browser. Once you're on the main mail screen, look toward the lower left side of the page and click the grid icon. This icon opens access to additional Outlook apps and tools, so it's the first place to go when you want to work beyond your inbox. After that, click on Groups. This will take you to the section where you can manage existing groups and create new ones. If you've never used this feature before, don't worry. Everything is laid out clearly, and Outlook will guide you through the setup. Next, click Create. This starts the process of making your new distribution list. At this stage, Outlook will ask for some basic information so the group can be identified easily later. Now, type in your group name. Choose a name that makes sense for the people or purpose of the list. For example, you might use a department name, a project name, or a label for a specific team. Keeping the name clear and recognizable will make it much easier to find when you want to send emails in the future. Once the group name is entered, click Create again. This confirms the new group and moves you to the next part of the setup. At this point, the distribution list exists, but it still needs members before it becomes useful for sending messages. Now add members to the group and click Add. You can begin typing the names or email addresses of the people you want included, then select them as they appear. Make sure you add everyone you want in the list before finishing. It's also a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct contacts, especially if some names are similar. And that's it. You've successfully created a distribution list in Outlook. From now on, when you need to email that same set of people, you can simply use the group instead of entering each recipient one by one. It's a quick setup, but it can make your email workflow much more efficient.